Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic 6 Lite, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, 9 minutes. Most of the time I've spent on the settings, some on the themes and the software update. What is more, we've got the unlocks and the notifications count. If you'd like to check some further details, simply tap either inside this graph and we'll be transferred to the dashboard, which will show us the exact time we've spent on the screen in particular days. So here you can compare them. Under it, you've got all of the apps listed with a specific time spent on them. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. And the second way is to tap directly on the app. So for example, the settings, themes, or any other app. Simply tap on it, and again you will have this dashboard, but this time entirely connected with the app. Of course, you can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.